Tonight, a Sumter woman whose brother has been missing for more than 7 years is hoping for closure after a body was found early yesterday morning.
We found him.
Today we are continuing the search for missing person Tommy Lee Brailey. He went missing back in 2017 with his vehicle, a silver BMW.
Brailey left Brewer's Bar on East Westmark in the early hours last August and hasn't been heard from since.
Vanished. He only had like a 15-minute drive back to his house, but neither him or his car has been seen since. So me and Jason, we've been checking so many places over the past few years for Tommy. Just all the signs tell us point, you know, when a car goes missing, you're in the woods or the water somewhere. I'm going to be using my new Chasing Mini S drone, the Gladius Mini S. This is a very awesome 5-thruster drone. It does 4K video, and it's designed so it doesn't get stuck. Because I've used other drones that get stuck very easily. Let's check it out. It's got the big camera on the front, 4K. It's got 2 lights. It's a lot smaller, which I like. And there's not very much to get caught on like other drones. All right, I have my drone in the water. Got it set up on the app so you can see on the screen. We're gonna send her down and see what this object is. That's a car. I think so, dude. Wait a second. BMW, what kind of shape is?
Oh, that looks like a BMW grill front end.
This has got to be him. This has got to be him.
Can you go around more to the front?
The grill pieces come together.
That's it. That's this BMW.
We found Tommy, I bet.
That's got to be Tommy.
Tommy.
That's got to be Tommy.
All right, I'm suiting up right now.
We found him.